On Sunday, China vowed closer cooperation with Pakistan under the $60 billion CPEC investment program. China also called for settling the Kashmir issue with India properly and peacefully while opposing any unilateral actions that could complicate the situation. This came as Prime Minister Imran Khan held talks with the top Chinese leadership including President Xi Jinping. Khan was in China to attend the opening ceremony of the Beijing Winter Olympics. Khan called on President Xi on the last day of his 4-day visit to China to discuss a host of issues including the slow pace of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor or CPEC and increasing concerns of Beijing over frequent attacks on Chinese personnel working in its various projects in Pakistan. A China-Pakistan joint statement said both sides reiterated that a peaceful and prosperous South Asia is the common interest of all parties. It further said the Pakistan side briefed the Chinese side on the latest developments on the situation in Jammu and Kashmir, including its concerns, position and pressing issues at the moment. The Chinese side reiterated that the Kashmir issue was a dispute left from history and should be properly and peacefully resolved based on the UN Charter, relevant Security Council resolutions and bilateral agreements. China opposes any unilateral actions that complicate the situation. In the past, India strongly rejected references made to Jammu and Kashmir in a previous joint statement by Pakistan and China and asserted that the Union Territory as well as Ladakh have been and will remain its integral part. In July of 2021, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bagchi had objected to the reference made to the so-called China-Pakistan Economic Corridor in a statement by the two countries, saying it is in Indian territory that has been illegally occupied by Pakistan. The spokesperson had said that India has consistently conveyed to both China and Pakistan that the so-called CPEC is in India's territory. The China-Pakistan joint statement also said that China recognized Pakistan's sacrifices and efforts in the fight against terrorism, adding that both sides reaffirmed its commitment to fighting terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. China has emerged as Pakistan's biggest supplier of weapons including battle tanks, fighter aircraft and the latest naval frigates. The joint statement further said that the two sides are ready to discuss with Afghanistan the extension of the CPEC to Afghanistan.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.